What's up, family?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Yes, today we're doing an unboxing.
So we got this juicer. You know it's not our first one. We got the first juicer and it was like extremely hard to clean, and it was one part that we couldn't clean at all, and we decided to just buy a new one. So here it is.
And you know we don't like overpaying. It came in roughly about $2.99, but you know the holidays is coming up, so we got it for a steal, and I love it. How does it look?
I like it. I did some research. It probably took me like maybe 2 weeks to make a final decision on what type of juicer I wanted to get. I know easy cleaning was definitely one of them, because I've seen online a lot of people said that they had mold that began to grow inside their juicer. And with this one, that should not happen.
Yeah, what we gonna do with that? But get sick.
What does it say over here on the side of the box?
The bigger the juicer, the bigger the mouth that you put in vegetables, fruit. So you could actually put a whole apple. Before we had to slice it up, even dice it. Also, 2-liter cup to gather all the juice. So, you know, that's more glasses for me and pen. And then with the 2-liter pitcher, you allow yourself to house it in your refrigerator, because you might not drink it all in one day.
So the juicer itself is a bigger spout up here, so you don't have to spend a whole bunch of time like cutting different things out. And then it has a low mode. Like if you're doing softer fruits, you want it on low mode. If you're doing harder fruits, then you want it on high. So those are like the only 2 options, but it's supposed to be like really good. As far as the reviews and everything, out of 5 stars, it got 4.5. So let's open it up and see what we got.
Close enough for me. Picture.
No, man, never look at the directions. I'm gonna look at the directions.
The packaging is pretty good. Seems secure. It's heavy. Feels industrial. Just in case we open that juice bar. You feel me? Juices for life. Shout out to Stylist. Shout out to Kids. Have anybody ever broken their items on an unboxing? I wonder. That would suck very much. Alright. The thing that catches all the extracted fruit veggies, I like to bag it because it'll make it easy for the cleanup. So I might keep this bag, you know, put it in there like such.
So it says, before using your juicer for the first time, remove any packaging materials and promotional stickers and labels off of everything.
Huge.
So it comes with like a brush to make sure that you get all of the fruit remnants out of it.
Pops up. And that's basically the parts right there. Nope, it doesn't pop.
So how you clean the shootout?
What do you mean the shootout?
This.
You just rinse it.
Lined it up.
No, you just rinse it off.
I'm gonna read the directions. Juices switch to off. Place the filter bowl surrounded on top of the motor base.
Filter bowl. Boom.
Align the arrows at the base of the stainless steel filter basket with the arrows on the motor drive.
Boom. It's in place.
Place the juicer cover over the filter bowl, positioning the lower part of the feed chute over the stainless steel filter basket. Raise the safety locking arm up and locate into the 2 grooves on either side of the juice cover.
We locked in.
The safety locking arm should be locked in a vertical position and locked into place on top of the juice cover. Slide the food pusher down the food chute by aligning the grooves in the food pusher with a small protrusion on the sides of the top of the feed tube.
Food pusher. Line up the arrow in front.
Place the pulp container into position by tilting and lifting the motor base slightly. Insert the pulp container under the juicer cover on the back, ensuring it is supported by the juice cover and motor base.
It's a hole here. Get under the spout. There we go.
I thought it's the spout. When you pour it from that container.
Might just have to go on here.
Go there.
Oh, so for a glance. So it don't go on while the picture is there.
If you want it to just go into a cup, then this is the actual spout that it'll come out of. So looking at all of the pieces through the juicer now, it looks pretty easy to clean because everything comes apart and have like its own mechanism, and this is pretty much used to push the fruit and things down into here. So all of this, the plastic, it feels pretty heavy.
Well produced, well engineered. I like what they did. The only thing that scared me is the lip of this, because on our old one, this lip, food would get caught under it and it would be hard to clean. But it seems like it's pretty exposed, so we can get under there and clean it.
So even if, let's say if we use the brush to clean around the inside of it, if we're unable to use this particular brush, I can always get like a bottle nose brush that's a little bit smaller. So, what did you think about the juicing process?
I love it. Easy to clean, easy to put things in the spout. Didn't have to do too much dicing and cutting. And y'all see the results. We got carrot, pineapple, ginger, cucumber, celery, lemon, and apples.
In this one. So, a couple things about this. One, it is easier to clean than other juices that we had in the past. A couple things that I don't like about it though, this little cord back here, this little guy, is nowhere to put him. So he's kind of like just flailing about, so you just gotta wrap him this way. Also, when you're juicing, all of the remnants that's supposed to be caught in here, sometimes it does splash out a bit. It's not a big cleanup, but just some pros and cons to it. But like I said, I'm glad that it was great to clean. And the spout that catches the juice, everything went really, really good. So, out of 5 stars,
4.5 for me.
4.5.
Yeah, there's always room to grow. Any other products from Breville? Send them through. We'll test them out. We'll review them. Give our honest opinion. But it's a 4.5 for me.
I definitely love it. I love the fact now that we're juicing, just because of some health ailments and things that I had, and I needed like a pick-me-up, like a nice amount of energy without having to like take pills and stuff, because that like literally ruins your liver. So if you have any recipes for energy, for a healthy living, also send those through. Down below you could send it to murrayexperience@gmail.com, and then that way we'll be able to see any of like the recipes, and we can swap and we can help each other out.
Yeah, if you don't share, nobody can learn. So we definitely need to share a game. Also, with her extensive history in like pharmaceuticals, we definitely want an alternative because we know how they destroy your body.
They definitely
and we,
do.
you know what I mean? No penicillin, we holistic with it, for sure.
Yeah, prescription medicine ruins your insides. It'll fix one thing and ruin 4 other things. So
𝗠cie said it best. God gave this for us. Let's use it.
thank you for tuning in. See you next time.
Holla at you, family.